Model, 64-plate Ford Transit Custom 292.2 TDCI Eco-tech starts runs needs turbo no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 161782. MOT, the 18th of September 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, parking sensors, tow bar. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.